Hello everyone, welcome back SS fam. So today's video is another batting tutorial. Last batting tutorial was yesterday that I did tips against spin, and I asked you a question: what do you like more, spin or fast? And I said that most of you will agree with spin, obviously. And I also gave you a few tips to face against spin because spin is not as easy as it looks. And now today's batting tutorial will be about fast bowling, how to face fast bowling and how to hit it perfectly. It's gonna be same way to practice at home, by throwing on the wall as if the wall is a bowler. But instead of spinning the ball and throwing it on the wall and hitting it, instead, because it's fast, throw it over. So this will help you practice fast bowling. And if you are confident with medium pace bowling, you can go with super fast bowling like that. So now I'm going to tell you a few tips against facing fast bowling. So tip number one, against fast bowling, you have to be careful what shot you hit if the ball is swinging. If you have seen in test matches, if you watch test cricket, that the bowler balls an outside of delivery and the batsman leaves it. You know why the batsman leave it? Because if the batsman will hit it, it will edge and go to the keeper because of the swing and pace. So you have to be careful about what shots you hit and what shots you leave. Because there will be balls that will come at super fast speed and you will get tricked by going to the drive or going into the cut shot and then with edge. So be careful what shot you hit. First, you don't want to edge the ball into the keeper's hands. Okay, so that's tip number one. Tip number two, watch the ball really carefully, just like spin, but in spin, you watch it differently. You have to be patient. In fast, it's mainly about watching the ball and reacting quickly. So you have to react really quickly to the super fast deliveries. Let's say about 153 clicks or 149, like super fast deliveries. You have to defend them carefully and react quick, because if you play the shot even a little bit late when it's coming towards the stumps, you could get bowled and then you would be out. So that's why you have to hit it on the perfect. You have to hit a perfect shot and the timing should be perfect. Tip number three. If you get a half volley or any full ball or full toss, don't hit it too much. Like don't overhit the ball, because see, the ball is coming with so much speed to you that you don't need that much power. You can, but then if you hit it with too much power, it could edge or it could take an edge and go to the keeper, or he could miss it. So, if for example the ball is fast, hit it with power but not with too much power. And number four, hit into the gaps to get boundaries. See, in a fast bowling, when the bowler is bowling fast, the best fast bowlers, they also give you one or two chances to hit a good shot unintentionally. So let's say they bowl a bad ball, if they bowl one bad ball and it's an easy chance to hit it through cover for four, and you miss the opportunity or you hit it to the fielder's hands, drive shot only but to the fielder's hands, then what if that opportunity would never come back again? So you have to take full advantage of the opportunity given to you, because the best fast bowlers, if they make a mistake, they will make a mistake, but then they may not repeat it again in the innings. So you have to hit those nice, juicy half volleys, full toss, any sort of delivery like that. Even short deliveries, pull it, or yeah. Because, and placement, I mean by placement is if there are two fielders standing over here and over here, and then there's a gap between. Put your shots in such a nice area, hidden in such a nice area that it would go between the two fielders and then go to the boundary for four. So that's what you should do. Now, I'll tell you a drill to practice this. Let's say you could take any object, a paper cup or a bottle or any object, and try throw the ball on the wall and hit it on that object. Now I'm going to show you few shots to play against fastball. Cover drive, over the top, slog shot, cut shot, straight drive, and flick. Okay, so those were some shots. I hope you loved this video. Subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to press the notification button for more notifications. Bye and peace.